Hello guys, welcome to another update. And I got my temporaries put on, got all the work done, and these are just the temporary teeth that I'll be wearing until Thursday. Not too, it's pretty good I think, for temporaries. Oops. But overall, I had a really good experience, and he's a really good dentist here, and I just got nothing but good things to say about it. I'm really happy with the work and the price, and I'm fixing to go to the bridge. They're going to take me to the bridge, and I'm going to walk across and walk back into America, basically, on the bridge. And then I'm going to call an Uber to give me a ride to the hotel. Tell me what you guys think. You like my temporary smile? It'll be Thursday, and I'm talking a little funny because my mouth is still numb right now. But look, I'm smiling from Mexico. I learned how to smile again. There we go. That's a good one. And remember, y'all, God is good all the time. And have a blessed day, everybody.